All right, onto HubSpot workflow feature of the week, Craig. Take it away. Copy and paste.
Copy and paste from workflow actions. This is really nice. We've got an image in the screenshot in the show notes here. So on actions in a workflow, you click the actions menu. By the way, the actions menu appears on triggers as well. So I don't think actions menu applied anyway. And don't know why it's called actions menu. I think it's called actions menu everywhere throughout HubSpot. But on an action, you click the actions menu. So I just wanted to, in case you're confused by that. And you can then copy the action to your clipboard, and then you have another tab open in your browser. Got to be the same browser with maybe another workflow in it. Then you just pop over to that workflow and you paste it in. And it's so handy. It's the little things and incremental improvements, because people, how can I, I've created this really nice action. Maybe it's got a bunch of things. How do I get another workflow? So that's how you do it. Now, some caveats. One is that if you're using the available data sources, that's currently a beta thing in workflows, and you've created your own kind of available data sources, and you use that in an action, you copy and paste that into another workflow that doesn't have that available data set up, you'll get errors like we've got in the screenshot here, where it can't really work out what that data object is, which is kind of understandable, right? The other workflow doesn't know what that data is. And so how can you refer to it in action? You've got to set it up. But for other simple things, e.g. assigning an owner or updating a standard property, let's say on a deal or a contact, it'll do it. The other final thing to mention about copy and paste is it's only works on the same type of workflow. So an action from a contact workflow, you can't copy that and then paste it into a deal workflow, which kind of makes sense again. But that's just so that you know. Yeah, anyway, super handy. Really like it.